Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, here with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the control top cover on a PowerBeats 2 wireless. Let's begin. Get a flat-headed screwdriver. You will see a groove between the bottom cover and the top cover. Go ahead and go in between it. Work your way around until the cover is off. Go ahead and get your replacement cover. Make sure the positive side, positive volume button is pointing towards the top, towards the left side of the headphones. Make sure it fits all nice and neat and it's flush with both ends. Go ahead and add some B7000. Not too much, don't drench it in too much B7000. You're gonna have a lot to clean up. What's nice about this stuff, it's waterproof and it won't let any sweat go through, because while you're working out, you always tend to move the volume button up and down and pause play. So it'll help with water damage. So go ahead, like I said, the plus and the minus, plus on top towards the headphone, left side. Apply some pressure. Get 2 clips. These are just the simple clips. Go ahead and do it for both sides. That is how you replace the control top cover on a PowerBeats 2 wireless. Thanks for watching, guys.